I'm standing in front of the iconic Mount Mary's Basilica, where today marks the start of a 7-day period of celebration in honor of Mother Mary's birthday. It is also the start of Bandra Feast. This year, the Basilica has been renovated and it looks absolutely stunning. I would love to take you to show you. And after you've gone to the Basilica and said a prayer and offered a candle, you must make a stop here to the canteen, which is run by the nuns, to maybe fill your stomach a little bit before we head down to the Bandra Fair, which is the most fun part. And this is where the fun starts. I'm going to take you through a walk down these Mount Mary steps, which are lined with stalls on the left and on the right, filled with so many goodies. You really need to check it out. And right at the top, we're starting with the Pauline sisters, who come here year after year with so many lovely books. Sister, please tell us a little bit more.
Yes, we have Pauline publications. We have lot of books here, and you can see Saint Carlo Acutis, the latest saint, and many people come to us and we are happy to interact with them, and please do visit us.
And here we've got Halwa Ka Jalwa. सर आप बताएंगे कौन से हलवे हैं आपकी दुकान?
इतना हलवा है मैडम जी, ये अंजीर हलवा है, ये ड्राई फ्रूट हलवा, ये लीजिए बादाम हलवा, ये काली कट के केला हलवा, ये हरा हलवा, ये देखिए मैंगो हलवा, ये बादाम हलवा, ये अंजीर हलवा, ये देखिए सबसे बेस्ट क्वालिटी हलवा, ये ड्राई फ्रूट। मैडम टेस्ट करके देखिए।
थैंक यू। अंजीर हलवा, yum. And here we have the sisters from Pratnalai who are selling everything from rosaries. There are these little keychains, there are bracelets over there. We've got some statues and even frames. So you have to check it out. It's true, they say no one can eat just one. Definitely can't miss the chana at the Bandra Fair. Is Bandra Fair even complete if you don't get a chance to do this? And how can you miss out on this shop? We've got peta, we've got cardio bodio, we've got suttar feni, we have son halwa, and these cardio bodios, this one made from jaggery, this one made from sugar. Which one's your favorite? Tell us in the comments below. This one's mine. Can I interest you in some pedas? आप बताएंगे कि आपके स्टोर में क्या क्या है, कौन से वैरायटीज?
ये मिल्क केक है, ये कलाकंद है, ये मावा पेड़ा है।
और आपका बेस्ट सेलिंग वाला कौन सा है?
ये वाला है।
इसको क्या कहते हैं?
इसको मिल्क केक।
मिल्क केक, that's the best seller. There's a reason why that's the best seller. And as you walk down, you'll see this beautiful cross. A lot of people come here to say a prayer when they're on the steps. Look at how colorful all of these mouth fresheners are. I think this is the sweet and sour imli, one of my favorites. And also the jeera goli, and I can see some cherries and everything there. Looks very nice. While you're walking down the stairs, make a pit stop here to hydrate yourself, where the locals are giving you water, and yes, you don't have to pay for it. And if you want to add spice to your Bandra Fair experience, you must come to the pickle shop. I've been told he has more than 30 varieties of pickles. At the Bandra Fair, you also get the mango aam papad, and this one here is the jaggery aam papad. My mouth is absolutely watering standing in this place. The aromas from the biryani and the kebabs, simply amazing. You cannot miss coming here and having a bite. So this shop here has everything sour, right from the beautiful star fruit. They've also got some curry. There's a plain one here, and this one I think is a pickled version of some sort. And of course we've got different varieties of boras as well. Welcome to September Garden. Look at the fun happening behind me. The giant wheel, the rides, the food, the fun. Oh my gosh, you have to come here. There's also lots of music that comes on a little later in the evening. You can't miss this. So we have Father Abel with us, the parish priest of Mount Carmel's Parish, Bandra. Father, it looks like you're all set for September Garden. Can you tell us a little bit about your experience with having it right here in your compound?
Yeah, this is my third year in this parish, third year, and it has really been wonderful. It's a kind of a family event,
Yeah.
a time that a family comes in together, and that's what I see more, and that's what I like about the September Garden and having it here in our parish. Also, of course, the various stalls, etc., that I had, really done it well and beautifully done. Also, want to thank the committee that is there behind this entire show and that really puts things together, and therefore it is what it is today. So thank you so much.
My father says fun and fellowship. This part of the fair is dedicated specially to the little ones who come to visit. We have this train set, we have those fun paddle boats, and of course behind me there's the jumping jack. There's something for everyone. All of you East Indians from Bandra, you have to come here to get your lugras, and let's find out what else. Can you tell us what exactly you all are selling here today?
Hi, so we have 10-yard lugras, we have pallu work, embroidery lugras, beadwork lugras, we have embroidery ones and heavy embroidery ones. We have quilts made out of lugra, we have the cushion covers made out of lugra, we have baby shirts, baby dresses, shirts for big size up to 46 size.
All of this looks so delicious. Please tell us what you have.
So hi guys, my name is Chef Ruben and you're at Pararas and Lobos Kitchen and Ray's Kitchen. We have exquisite buff chili. We have chicken mini burgers, buff pulled burgers. We also have tongue burgers. We have chicken puffs, chicken chili, chicken mayo and cheese rolls and chicken vindaloo rolls.
Look at the fun in September Garden. Behind me is the famous giant wheel. Oh my gosh, it's such a thrilling ride. To my right here is a new ride this year called Ranger, and here of course we have the break dance, which I can hear so many screams coming out of already. Don't forget to tell us which one is your favorite ride. What's a fair without candy floss? Look, it's being made fresh. Cannot wait to get my treat. Yeah. So I'm here at the Mount Carmel's Cafe where you can get some really nice cookies. There are rolls, but what's really interesting me is that salt patel at the bottom there and the prawn rissois, which are that good that they're sold out already. So if you're coming later, I'm sure they'll be back in stock. It's really hot, and if you want to get yourself a refreshing drink, please come and try the sugarcane. It is icy cold, sweet and absolutely delicious. Cheers. What's a fun fair without gola and without kulfi? Don't forget to come and get yours here right in September Garden. So I'm here at the DJ console at September Garden. This is where they roll out one rocking track after another, and I'm here with DJ Lucian and with Connie Gonsalves from Kyaji Sounds, and today I get to press the button and do the honors.
What's up, September Garden? Make some noise. This is DJ Lucian with Kyaji Sound at Mount Carmel Grounds.